Today we're going to show you how to bleach and tone to take care of a dark regrowth. You can see our model's ends are pretty light. They've obviously been colored many times before, but her root area is quite dark. So we're going to have to use lightener, we're going to use Brilliant Blonde to lift that dark area. We mix with 20 volume developer and we go ahead and apply specifically on that dark area which needed lifting. When you're applying bleach on the regrowth area, remember just to stay slightly away from the scalp, as you can see our stylist is doing. The heat from the scalp will process the hair very fast, so you don't need to go right the way up to the scalp. And don't overlap with the lightened lengths, otherwise you could cause breakage. And when you're done on the regrowth, it's going to look like this. And you're going to need to check it every 5 or 10 minutes to see how it's developing. Don't just walk away. Check until you make sure that it's lifted properly. So this is after rinsing. You can see it's been lifted to a very nice level 10. And now we're going to apply our toner, which is Intense Pearl Blonde 100V. We're going to mix with 20 vol in the ratio of 1 part toner to 2 parts developer. Mix it into a very nice smooth paste and start applying. When you're applying toner, it's a good idea to apply on the lengths first and then afterwards at the root area, where the heat from the scalp is going to make it process faster. And now you can see that thanks to the work we did on the regrowth, lifting that up, and now thanks to the toning we've done on the full length of head, we've got a beautiful, totally consistent, even white blonde result from the root all the way to the lengths. And this is the kind of look you can do in your salon with great ease with these products.